It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we have from South Carolina in the United States, we have Ramen Express by Chef Wu and their vegetarian hot and spicy shrimp variety. So yeah, that's what I am doing. I'm going to cook this. You're gonna watch, and hopefully it all turns out well. So let's commence. 3-minute spin in the old microwave. Or I like to call it the macrowave. Go. So there it goes, spinning in the microwave. So yeah, how are you doing? I'm doing all right. I'm hoping it doesn't just end up being a crappy rainy day. But the only thing is, when it's rainy, there's less people out walking on the weekend, which I like, or biking too. When I go out on the trail on a Saturday, usually it's so packed. It's like literally I've got like $20,000 worth of bicycles going by me every 5 minutes, maybe more, and people walking on the wrong side of the trail. You're supposed to keep to the right. People, large groups of people too, and then there's bikes going. God, the other day I had 10 bicyclists go by me, and each one was like, on your left, 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 on your left. I mean, it's just like, I want to get a t-shirt and that says, I know you're on my left, so shut up. I mean, it's either that or the bell. The bell's more interesting. Sometimes somebody had like a little thing that sounded like a laser. It was all pew, 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 pew. I was like, now that's cool. Something different. But it's just like constant. And they're on their 2-wheeled inline wheelchairs and wearing all their reflective gear and just being all drives me nuts. Truly. But anyways, this should be almost done. The next one I'm gonna do is gonna be crazy. This is Yangpi Shengshi cold noodle by Kinshen, a sour and spicy variety. This one will take a little bit more work to do. The noodles in these are a pain in the butt to get going, but it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. It's gonna be all right. So. But that's like the next to the last of the ones that I picked up with my family 2 days before Lunar New Year, and they need to get cooked. I've tried the other variety. I think it was a hot and spicy versus a sour and spicy, so we'll see. My hopes are up. Like maybe like there. I don't know. We'll see. It's not like, oh, I hope it's good. I know what these are like. No explosion. I've found the secret trick. I'll say one thing though. This stuff is hot. Like, temperature-wise. I don't know how hot and spicy it'll be, but we'll find out shortly. So it's a hot and spicy shrimp. A little bit of stirring. I want to get it definitely well stirred. I wish I had a little temperature gauge to say, yes, that's exactly room temperature and isn't going to blow up. I think it'll be good. So let's see. Here we go. From the noodle, I'm already getting a spiciness from it. There's the broth. A little bit spicy. A little bit. Not bad. I'm gonna go with the infamous white bowl. Not only is this one very reflective, but it likes to get stained. So we shall see how we do. Oh, yeah. Right off the bat. There we go. There's really not much I can do. I could wipe it down, but yeah, I better. But I think it's just going to smear it. Somebody's going to get on YouTube and go, you poured it too quick, dude. Just poured it too quick. You did. You made a mess. Mm. Well, I can Photoshop that. So, we got that. We got some shrimp cocktail. These aren't completely thawed out, but that's okay. Gonna do our peppers. Yeah. Some definitely starkness going on in this bowl. Not much I can do about that either. Yeah. The product itself is wonderful, but what I'm doing with it isn't my best work. That'll work. Crushed red pepper. Man, I feel like I'm getting spoiled by these 3-minute in the microwave noodle cups because they're so convenient. There you go. Yeah. Thanks for watching. The next one we're going to have is this Kinching Langpi Shangxi cold noodle. Sour and spicy flavor. That'll be coming up tomorrow on Instant Noodle Recipe Time with me, the Ramen Raider. Have a good one. Bye-bye.